Happy Sunday reset, and here's what we have to do today. So if you watch my previous vlog, I know it's a long one, but it basically just told that I'm moving and I started packing and I left it a mess on Thursday, so today we're gonna clean it up. I ended up selling a lot of my things. I have 3 major things that I need to sell. My plant isn't a major thing, but that needs to sell right behind me. I'm so bummed. I sold my fig plant and I almost shed a tear. It was the hardest loss. But I'm gonna sell my bedside table, my bed frame, and then I have like a decorative ladder that I need to sell still. So this is what we're working with. I packed these 2 suitcases in my last vlog. I'm gonna finish out with packing this and my jeans and a few of my dresses. I need to go through my purses. All of my shoes and my jackets will be put in my car. But before we get to that, I need to go to Plato's Closet and try and sell some clothes. Whatever doesn't sell, I'm gonna drop off at a battered woman shelter. It's UGG season, so I honestly should have showed you guys. I was making a TikTok for something that just got sent to me and I spilled my whole coffee on the floor, so that's how my morning's going. I think the video turned out so cute. Here it is. All right, this is what we're working with. I'm gonna take this down to my car. All right, so sell pile, donate pile. This will grow if nothing sells, and let's go. I just realized that the place that I need to go drop off clothes to is closed until 11 and it is 10 o'clock, so I'm gonna go get my car washed. I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but it's supposed to rain today and every time I need a car wash, it rains. I really just needed the outside done, so I'm just gonna dry it off really fast. A little early, but I was just looking at my hair and you guys, I need a haircut so bad. Guys, I really shouldn't be shopping because I'm trying to sell things before I move, but I found some goodies. I'm not usually a fan of bright colors like this, but this is the softest thing I've ever felt. It's $10, so I think I'm gonna get it. All right, here's the next one. I don't love it, but I don't hate it. It's a pass for me. It's really cute. It's from Free People, but it's a size small and it's just too big on me. Save the best for last. I don't love it though. It is really warm. It's from Abercrombie, but there's no price on it, so I guess I'll hold on to it and think about it. Yay, they're selling my stuff from last time. How cute. I'm still waiting on my items to sell. I did end up getting that blue top, but while I was waiting, I also looked up how to cut my hair. It's probably not the best idea, but I think I'm gonna go home and do it. So I ended up getting $118, but I got that blue top, which was $10, so I left with $108. And time to head home. All right, I'm back. I'm gonna start my laundry and get some food in me. Usually we have a smaller pot, and I don't know what it is, so. I'm also gonna make my energy drink because we got a long day still. Strawberry flavor, the best. Bubbling, so I'm making all of it because I want it for the week. And then that way I just have to cook some meat and then throw it in there. I'm just gonna spot vacuum because my room's a mess and there's no way to vacuum it right now. So I'm just gonna vacuum the kitchen and someone to cut my hair. I found someone on TikTok with a tutorial, so don't come at me. These buns first. Okay, she said just to cut off the end to keep the length. So I'm gonna brush it out, and the only scissors that I have are these. So we're gonna see how this goes. I'm not gonna cut too much, and I'm on a towel to catch it, so let's see. Maybe like right there. Oh my god. Well, we're in, you guys. I went and switched over my laundry because we are a multitasking queen. We're gonna try and make it even. I just put the other half up. So I think I'm gonna pull over a section from here just so I can see where that length is. Hopefully I didn't lose it. This is my first time doing this, so we will see. Okay. The extra right there. And then we're gonna make it even like this. Okay, I feel like they're pretty even. Okay, she said the next section you're just gonna cut it straight forward. So that's what we're gonna do. Do a little bit more. I'm not gonna do too much. Okay, the bottom half is done, so I'm just sectioning that out and clipping it away. Okay, so now the front pieces. She said to comb it all the way up. So, and then follow your finger. It's hard. I'm just gonna chop it off and then the same on this side. Forward. Alright, I'm just gonna kind of wing this. I do like how my bangs turned out. I might go a little shorter, but let's see. Oh geez. Guys, I don't think this is it. Oh man. That definitely was not it, you guys. But we're gonna work with it and make it even. We're just not gonna talk about these front pieces because they are not the same at all. And I'm just gonna mess them up even more, so we're gonna try and blend it in, and I'll blow dry it and come back. Okay, blow dried it just a little. I'm not gonna lie, kind of turned out fire. Not bad for my first time. I am gonna make this side just a little shorter because the side's really short and I love it, so. Guys, I'm actually so proud of myself. It looks pretty good for my first time. Now I don't have to spend $80 on a haircut anymore. Alright, I'm just finishing my laundry right now. I'm just gonna pack up the last suitcase of whatever is left in my closet. Decorative ladder. It's so cute, but I am party late with it. Okay, I feel like my brain is fried. I just tried to edit and I got all the clips ready to go, but I cannot for the life of me focus right now to add music, intros, etc. So we're stopping for the day. It's literally only 4:30 too. I'm gonna turn my brain off for a while. I feel like I've been nonstop today. So maybe watch some TV, some Netflix, and we'll resume later. I ended up calling it a early night, so good night.